Welcome to the tutorial on how to troubleshoot the elevator. If you hear this sound, this means that the bifold door inside of the elevator was left open, and you will have to contact the office in order to get maintenance out to open the outside door for you in order to access the elevator. Upon entering the elevator, once the light illuminates and you hear that clicking sound, open the outside door and the bifold door. Once you get inside and choose the floor you would like to go to, if the elevator does not move when the outside door and the bifold door are both shut, it is because the stop button is pulled out. You will need to push that in order for the elevator to move. If you call for the elevator and it does not respond, that normally means that it is offset, in which you will need to reset. You will need to find the breaker box in order to reset the elevator. If you call the elevator and the car arrives and you open both the outside door and the bifold doors and you step on and off 6 times, the elevator will automatically shut off and you will have to reset it again as well.